Apart from focusing on the content of the curriculum, we also invest in developing the learning processes. And this is to ensure that learning does not remain restricted to the physical space of the classroom, but we are able to build a community of learners. The MPH program at Azim Premji University is designed to ensure a synergy of theoretical perspectives with diverse empirical realities. Besides having the sound theoretical understanding, graduates will also be able to manage and implement programs well. In order to achieve this, we use different kinds of pedagogical tools and approaches which promote active and collaborative learning. So students will get ample opportunities to learn from public health practitioners. There will be one-on-one academic mentoring when students are doing their field project, internship. And beyond learning from textbooks and journals, we use case stories, worksheets, films. We also offer thematic labs, workshop on health communication, and we also use simulation games such as Power Walk. So the experience of learning at Azim Premji University is imagined in such a way that students are able to realize their own potential and are able to acquire competencies to achieve the common goal of health for all.